Now go.
Aloha everybody, thanks for tuning in to PhotoLukeHawaii for your weekly Hawaii update. It is Sunday, July 26, 2020. These are our current COVID numbers. As you can see, we've had a spike. I think they said we have more in the past month than we had in the past 4 months. Hurricane Douglas has made its way past the Big Island, Maui, and Moloka'i. It's still a Category 1 hurricane with winds of 85 miles per hour. We were expecting rain and wind, and I was going to show you rain and wind, but since there isn't any, I'm going to switch and we'll show you this beach scene instead. Just wanted to remind everybody that the pre-travel test program for COVID-19, which would allow you to skip the 14-day mandatory quarantine, has been pushed back to September 1st, 2020. Initially, they said it was going to start August 1st, but no, it's September 1st now, for now. As of now, if you still have to do the 14-day mandatory quarantine, we have a link in the description down below for Hawaii State Department of Health, for the State of Hawaii Department of Health, and GoHawaii.com for all your current COVID and travel to Hawaii information. There's also a link to our news channels, Hawaii News Now and KHON2 News, for their website and YouTube channels below. For now, public schools are on track to open August 4th or around August 4th, but with the recent spikes of COVID infections, there are talks of delaying returning to school or the possibility of learning from home. They're still talking about it, so we just have to wait and see. Take your mask with you wherever you go. Be prepared. You never know when you might need it. Wash your hands for 20 seconds with soap and water, and when you don't have that, use hand sanitizer. And then when you get home, make sure you wash your hands with soap and water. If you haven't checked out Dan Kaiser's exercise channel on YouTube, I highly recommend you go check his channel out and subscribe today. Dan and my classmate will show you some great workouts you can do from home. Please check them out and show them aloha and subscribe to them today. Dan Kaiser's link will be down below. PhotoLukeHawaii is sponsored by Moloka'i Hawaii music artist Lono. Check out his website and maybe buy a CD today. LonoMusic.com. That link will be down below. Thank you, Lono, for letting us use your music in our videos. Mahalo. We are also sponsored by Sharkdog Designs Hawaii for your t-shirt printing needs. You can email Clinton at sharkdog808@yahoo.com. His email will be down below for any t-shirt printing inquiries. Check out our other channel, PhotoLukeHawaii Travels and Bone Dance, for all our traveling adventures, and if you like bone dance. That link will be down below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe and click that bell so you can get notifications every time we post a new video. Thanks so much, everybody, for all your support. We reached 13,000 subscribers. Thank you. And if you want to help us out a little bit more, you can join the PhotoLukeHawaii team on Patreon. Or we have a PayPal if you want to support us that way. Those links will be down below. Mahalo nui loa, which means thanks very much. Malama pono, which means take care. Ahui ho, which means until next time. Aloha, everybody. Thank you. Thank you for your support, yeah. Thank you. Aloha. Thank you. Take care, everybody. Malama pono.